hair is so short. Whew, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. You guys, oh my goodness. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Caramel Coil speaking. So my first video is gonna be a tutorial of how I achieved this look for the first time ever that I'm very speechless about. So I used my Q-redew that I just got in the mail not too long ago. First time using it, and I am quite content with these results. Like, talk about stretched hair. I am shooked, okay? So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So today I'm gonna be trying the Q-redew. I'm super excited about it because I've been seeing a bunch of Instagram videos, YouTube videos, basically, you know, people flicking their hair with this, and I'm super excited, and I paid good money. I paid good money. Okay. I paid good money for it, so I hope it is worth my while. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Might as well, like, yeah. Oh, this is not anticlimactic. Hello. I got this. Yes. Ooh, official. Wow. I am super excited. Okay, I feel like I don't need the instructions just because I've seen so many people use it on Instagram, but let me just real quick. Wow, that feels so official. Oh my goodness. Okay, flip the reservoir. Alright, so I'm breaking it. Wow. I like already. No. Alright, let me use the broken nail. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back. So, got my little cup of water. Let's see. I'm so nervous. And then if I need to refill, I will. Okay. So now we gotta sit and wait for it to get warm. Well then. Whatever. Okay, in the meantime, let me go ahead and, well, as you guys can see, my hair is a bit of, I want to say it's a bit of a mess, but it's also kind of cute, but it's just a little frizzy in the front like it always is. But I'm ready for this volume. So this is what I'm working with currently, as you guys can see. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead. I know I'm gonna have to do my hair in small, very small sections. So, ooh, this is kind of cute. All right. Wow. Honestly, my curls never cease to amaze me. Like, and I mean this in the most, like, not conceited way. Like, they're just all over the place. Like, over here you have these super kinky, like, supposedly 4A, but they look kind of 4B. Almost, not 4C, but a little 4B-ish. And then you have these that are a lot looser. And then you have the front, which is like a completely different person. I know for a fact that this part isn't straight, but as long as I'm not like gonna be pulling on hair, let us begin. So the red light stopped blinking, so I think I'm ready to go. Let's see. I just have to test it. Alright, so definitely I'm not going to use that big of a piece. I know that when I'm doing my wash and goes, I have to section my hair very small, so the same goes for this, but I use a clip here. Alright, now, let's go in. Make sure that my hair is not too tangled. I mean, I washed it like, what was it? Not even 2 days ago. This is day 3 hair. Trying to separate the curls as much as I can, that way it's not so hard for the steamer to stretch my hair. Okay, wow. All right, let's go. Okay, not much of a difference yet. so excited. I really want this to
cheesing so hard.
Right. Boy, this is gonna take a while. Sit tight. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let's get to it. No more games. Okay, there's a bit of a difference, right? Yeah, definitely a difference, right? Wow, oh my god. You see how much hair I have? Goodness me. Alright. Go ahead and detangle my ends a little bit. White's clean. Wow. Damn. But yeah, so I feel like most people use the Q-redew to for like so they can do various like braid outs, twist outs and stuff like that. However, I'm not a huge fan of those. Maybe I will be once I start using the Q-redew more. But I'm really just doing this because one, I get my hair braided tomorrow and I need to have like blow dried hair, but I don't really want to apply heat like that. But also because I don't know, I'm curious to see how it's gonna look and I think it should be fun. I'm doing a photo shoot tomorrow. It's kind of like a blow dryer basically, but it's not gonna make it that slick. Which it doesn't need to be because I still want my kinkiness. It sound like it's frying my hair. Hold on now. Where though? Like my roots already tangled the most because she's gonna be trying to grip my hair. Oh yes, sis. Yes, sis. Yes. Alright, cool. Oh. A little Bantu knot, y'all, for now. Okay, so it's getting stuck at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and am I supposed to be putting in my hair right now? Are you doing that? I don't know. Alright, come on. Oh my god. What did I get myself into? See, I made a lot of progress. It's just the ends that are the most knotted up. But I got this. By the way, this is the amount of hair I've lost. Not much. But it's still very early in the game, as you guys can see. Alright. Ends come through. Don't break too much, please. Can't afford to lose ends. I'm tired of cutting my ends. I feel like every time, I know I can't do the other one. I feel like every time I cut my ends, it's like I lose all the progress that I made. Like all the new growth I made, all of that. There's nothing to show for it because I cut the ends off and that's basically how much hair there grew. But whatever. Once I've like gotten the ends to frizz a little bit or detangled, I go through with the Q-redew one last time just to make sure that my ends are not like too frizzy. Wow, look at this, dude. I brush through it as well just to make sure that it's like as slick or as smooth as it can be, you know. Like I feel like the brush gives it even more volume and I'm just trying to have as much volume as I can right now. Honestly and truly. Wow. You can see my hair, my hand pretty much glides through it. Put a little oil on it. So yeah, I'm using this soft all over multi-purpose oil by Aunt Jackie's. It has coconut, jojoba, jojoba, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, shea butter, grapeseed, and ginseng. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It smells kind of good and I didn't really have any oils. The only oil I really use is grapeseed oil. But like I feel like the more oils in a product, the better. My hair is very dry and low porosity, so I need all the oil I can get. So yeah, this is what we have so far. You have right here, and then you have right back here. Nice. Wow.
That's a lot. Oh my god, I nearly been halfway done.
And this is how much I have left. So yeah, I've made a lot of progress It's really big. I'm excited to see what the rest of this is gonna look like. It's like, I don't know how I feel about it yet. Like some parts are like up here, and some parts are straight-ish or whatever. I don't know. You guys get my gist though. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna update you guys once I make a little more progress. Because right now it feels like I'm not making any. So see you guys back in like maybe 20 minutes. Why does it do that? I don't understand. Does anybody else have this issue with the Q-redew? I mean, it's not really an issue, but I'm just confused as to what it is. This gray stuff. It just looks like carpet or dust. I got carpet in my hair? Look at this. I don't know. Whatever. I'm gonna guess this product. Yeah, once I like mush it, kind of like my hands get oily, I guess. But yeah, no, it looks like if I actually stick to this YouTube stuff, I really do want to do like little chit chat, get ready with me. Get ready with me. Yeah. Get ready with me. Whatever.
Get ready with me.
Because I feel like I don't know. Sometimes I feel like my life can be so interesting. Sometimes. So I'm noticing that if I go over it too much, trying to like make it straighter, it's like the more moisture I apply, so the more it kind of just like makes it go back, like shrink it up a bit. So once I get like that straight look, I need to stop like overdoing it, because then it's just gonna like try and make my hair shrink up again. Because right now my hair is damp, and damp equals shrinkage, and that's what I do not want that. Almost there, y'all. Wow, look at it, dude. It literally looks like a blow dry in my hair. It's so cool. I love it. This is the last section. I may end up splitting this into 2 sections. I don't know yet, but I'm almost there. So let me see. By the way, this is how much hair I've lost on the Q-redew. My comb. So let's see the moment of truth. Mind you guys, this is just the top of my head. Okay, now the back. Oh my goodness, dude, what the? Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I look like a child. Like I look like my baby pictures. Oh my goodness, dude. Wow, this is amazing. I literally look like I'm from the like 80s or something. I'm going to the disco. Ooh, okay, sis. Thank you.